So hello, today our topic is flowchart. So today in this topic we'll be understanding what is a flowchart, uses of flowchart, with some examples. So many questions to your mind might come that why to understand flowchart. So let me declare you that for any programmer, flowchart is a first step to be the good programmer. Flowchart teaches us how to code, what is the process of coding. So to be good programmer, honestly, to be good programmer, we should be understanding what is a flowchart. So in this session, in this video, we'll be covering a complete tutorial of flowchart, understanding with some good examples, their consequences, difficult that comes in flowchart. And by the way, flowchart is a very easy topic when you are looking forward for C programming or other programming languages. And flowchart is the first thing to understand before you are about to make your career in programming language. So let's start. So in this flowchart session, our aim is to be understanding. Our aim is to understand. In this lesson, we will understand to draw a flowchart for problem solving, some uses of flowchart. So let's begin. Look here. Inter-school computer exhibition. Inter-school computer exhibition here. This is about, I think this PDF is about problem solving with flowchart. So let's understand. Moving down. Here is a Tejas who called. We visited a computer exhibition for school students. We saw a supercomputer demonstration of many uses of computer, many interesting applications, and many interesting applications as well. And Jyoti here next told, in this one of the stall we could include any number. These are things, conversation done between two people or more than two people. So I will be sending you this PDF. From this PDF you will be understanding the conversation. This is not necessary. So let's begin. Okay, so how to find the sum of two numbers? So let me declare you the first. Flowchart syntax look like this. This is a call of flowchart. This is a call of flowchart. This is call of flowchart. Okay. So here is one example. Let's understand from one example. Okay. Find sum of a question comes to you. Find sum of 845 and 245. So whenever you are writing start, whenever you are starting a flowchart, always write a circle in start. S-T-A-R-T start. And so to find the sum of 848 and 247, we'll be taking two values. We'll be taking two values into variables. In A variables we'll take 845. In B variables we'll take 245. And what we'll do that? We'll do first step. Flowchart, we can say step by step guidance. Okay. So first we will do that. First, okay, forgot this. Now what to do is forgot this. Let's concentrate on this bracket. Okay. So question comes to you that find sum of 845 and 247. So what we'll do? First we'll start. Then we'll take one variable of volume 845. Clear? Second thing we'll do is we'll take B variables as a 247. This thing is clear. The next step what we'll do is that we'll take one variable sum and we will add these both numbers, because here the question is sum of 845 and 247. Understanding? So we'll take more one variable, and in this variable what we'll do is that we'll add variable a plus variable b, variable a plus variable b. Then we'll be taking third variables, and we'll be add there sum 845 plus 247. Then we'll print sum. What is a sum? The sum will be printing 1092, and will in the program. And this is the process. And to write this process, we'll be doing in this way. First we'll do start. Start always take in a circle bracket. This is a rules. Then we have to read the value a. We're taking the value a, so read value a. Then we have to read value b, so we'll be reading value b. Then we'll be adding both variables. Then third step we'll be add both variables. Then we'll do? We'll print sum. What is a sum? That will be the print. Then this syntax completed. This is so easy. Let's take more examples. Now consider the following problem to a flowchart for its solution. Savani brought a toy for rupees 325 and sold for 458. Explain how we can find a Sanabi has made a profit or loss. क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है कि सनाबी ने एगो गुड़िया खरीदा है 325 का, तो उसको बेचा है 458 में, मतलब सबानी हैज मेड अ प्रॉफिट. Okay, now we have to show these question into the flow chart. So what will do? Will be read cost price CP. Will be reading one variable. मतलब एक वेरिएबल में a is equal to 325. A is equal to 325, and variable b will be taking 4, 5, 8. A b से 3 से 25, 325, b 448. दो variable we have taken two variables. Variables a 1 number and variables b this number. So what is the question that explain how we can find if Savani has made a profit or loss? So simple, what we'll have to do, if we have to find sum of two numbers, then there is a formula plus. But when we have to look after this is a profit or loss, so there is a first we have to check whether the question asks is a profit or loss, then this is a profit. Okay, इतना एगो वेरिएबल्स लेंगे, वेरिएबल्स भी लेंगे. प्रोसेस 3 completed. First we'll have to do start, then second we have to read value a 325, and then next we have to read value of b 458. Understand? Now we'll be doing fourth step. What is a fourth step? Yeah, there is a condition from that question. Next we step second. Let me understand you here. So this is what we have done. First understand this. First we'll start. We have read the value CP. We have read the value SP. Now here condition keep that. What is the condition here? If 45 is greater than 325, it is a profit. It is a profit, or it can be considered as a loss. So here 458 is greater than 325. We have to check this condition, whether this condition is true or false. So let's understand in syntax. We have started read cost price CP, read selling price SP. Now is SP greater than CP? If yes, then profit is equal to SP minus CP, and then direct will do one step print profit. If no, then loss CP minus SP print loss is. Understand this? This is next step. This is a condition based equation. Yeah, whenever there is any kind of condition, we have to use this bracket Jaiman. when you are about to start an int, we have to use this bracket. Whenever we are taking any input value, we have to use paragram. Whenever you are adding formulas, we have to use this value. Okay, so don't be confused. Here diamond used in a condition. So here is a why here we use the diamond, because we have a condition. If SP is greater than CP, then profit SP minus CP and direct print, then in. You understand? If SP is greater than CP, this will redirect to this formula, and this formula will redirect to this formula, and after print profit, this will take to you in, and the program in. Understand? If SP is less than, we are not doing it manually, okay? These things are done automatically in computer. So we know we have made profit, but still the computer know that the questions made profit, no. So you have to look that we don't know anything. We know only numbers. We don't know formula. We know formula, but we don't know the calculation. Do we know 445 is greater than 325? Yes, we know this is greater, but still computer know. For computer, to understand computer, we have to code this. Okay. So here we have used condition, and whenever we use condition, we use diamond. Understand? Okay. Very simple question. And the third question here, what is plots are the multiplication table of number n. Okay. So here we start this thing. We have taken n value, and we have taken a variable 12. We have taken a variable 12. Then what we'll do? We'll use loop here. Do you understand what is loop? Plots are the multiplication table of a given n number. We take any n number. Okay. We take any n number. We have taken n number 12. So what we'll do? We'll count 1, 12 into 1, 12. Count it, and we'll be adding here 1 plus 1, 2. Means 2 into 2, 24. And this process, try to understand again. Okay. First, what we'll do? We'll take value n. Then we'll be count 1. We'll take one variable called as count. Okay. Then next, what we'll do is 12 into 1, 12. Then we'll take again one variable count 1 plus 1, it is 2. Then 12 into 2, 24. Then again we'll take value count 2 plus 1, 3. Then here will become 12 into 3. And here will be get answer. And altogether we have to count up to 10. We have to use up this formula up to 10. Then only we can be able to take print out of a given number. And understand? So look into a syntax form. We'll first start. We'll read the number value n, then count 1. And whenever we are doing the process simultaneously, this is called loop. Whenever we are doing anything continuously, simultaneously, then this is called loop. So multiple n into n count. Then prime count times, then each count 10. If count is equal to 10, then we'll in this program. जब 12 10 तक आ जाएगा, means we can get the multiplication table for number n. Then this program is. So here is a